Hey YouTube, fluorescence is a pretty interesting phenomenon that can be found all throughout nature. But did you know that your typical LED phosphor is also fluorescent? Let's do some tests here using this violet laser that I put together to determine the validity of that statement. So in order to perform an experiment like this, all you need is a violet laser. This is one of my custom made violet lasers right here. And of course you'll need some white LEDs. And here are some other fluorescent compounds and components that we can also play around with. And here is the laser activated. And here we'll see the higher energy state from the laser beam being converted down to the lower energy state, that is fluorescence. Another white LED phosphor. And another one. Now we'll attempt to fluoresce the white LED strip here on the wall. As you can see, it's clearly fluorescing the phosphor coating on these white LEDs here. Now that we have proven experimentally that the white phosphor coating on white LEDs is fluorescent, let's move on to some of these other fluorescent compounds here. Highlighters. Fluorescent paper. White fluorescence. Fluorescent plastics. And some custom-made fluorescein solutions with a surfactant added. Dielectric fluid. A vial of dark green fluorescein. And here I've adjusted the output to the tightest focal point in the beam. And here I can ignite a match. And of course some beam shots. This laser can also chew through thin electrical tape. Here, we'll poke some holes. Cutting through the tape.